rest, she'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand.
Go in there. Give me 5 pieces of cheese and wrap them for me. You can open it. Put them in there. I got to do that for you. Take was good too. I'm glad y'all told me to do this.
You need to bring it with us.
Huh?
Bring it with us.
I can't.
I say you need to bring it with us.
Oh yeah. This.
Cause sometimes it get like
You sure
dirt.
you want a couple?
Yeah, what else I'm doing?
She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher.
Alright guys, so this is party number 1. You need me to help you? Huh?
Oh, this way.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanisha Lachey, and today is Saturday. I think if you've already seen the title, it's a productive Saturday or weekend vlog. I'm not sure what I'm going to call it yet. But anyway, my husband, we have a total of 5 parties today. This is party number 1. I've already helped him kind of get everything settled. He started the first train ride for the kids. So yeah, today I'm just going to be bringing you guys along with me, letting you guys see how the flow of our day go when we have, you know, multiple parties. Still got a lot of things at home I need to take care of. So yeah, it's just going to be a productive weekend, pretty much. So yeah, if you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and watching my videos and all of that good stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you are not subscribed already, why are you not subscribed? I mean, I love you coming back and watching my videos, but girl, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's free, and I would love to have you over here. I'm kidding, but I'm for real. So yeah, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I've been doing cleaning videos, and people seem to really like those, but I ain't gonna lie, every now and then I like to pull out my, I like to pull out the vlog camera. I like to vlog. So yeah, this Saturday, well, this video is going to be more of a vlog style video. I'm actually out the truck right now, waiting to see, you know, when my husband come back so I can hand him his water. I'm the water girl. Got to keep my man hydrated. And most of the time while he's doing the train rides, I just sit in the car, you know, get out, give him his water, give him his towel, all that good stuff. So yeah, this is party number 1. We have 4 to go, and I'm not sure what else we're gonna have time to do. I'm sure we'll have time to maybe stop and go get us something to eat and all of that. But anyway, I see him coming around again with the kids. Let me show y'all. So yeah, anyway, I'll call y'all back and I'll bring you guys along with me. So yeah, call y'all back. Hey y'all, so I just decided to turn on my camera while I'm sitting in this car waiting on my husband. When I tell y'all it is so hot today in Pensacola, baby, it is so hot. But anyway, I just want to tell y'all, I was sitting in here thinking, I'm like, you know what, Laura, it seemed like every time something really, really good is happening in my life, it's a little bit of sprinkle of, a little bit of what I want to call it. Some trials, I guess I can call it. I'll take trials because I don't want to speak nothing too bad. But anyway, no, it's just amazing how, and I can, every time I look, I thought back over my life to like when things were, something was really going good. It was always that little sprinkle of a little trial and tribulation in there. And I think for me, that was a way of God just keeping me humble, but at the same time letting me see his hand, like, I'm still there, but I gotta make you strong. And you know, I feel like God is amazing because he loves us so much he gives us blessings, but at the same time, I feel like this is just for me. He always wants to grow us up in our faith and our relationship with him. So for me, like I said, I can look back over my life, and every single time I had something going good for me, it was that little sprinkle of something that I was dealing with. And I'm not mad at it, because at the same time, like I said, at the same time, for me, it builds faith, it builds character, it builds my relationship with God. And at the same time, the good thing that was going on, which is how I feel it worked for me, that good thing kept me just anchored, I guess. It kept me like, okay, I got this going on, but at the same time, I got this going on. So I still see the hand of God working in my life, baby. Like, devil, who you think I am? I'm playing, but I'm really serious. Like, it's amazing. Like, God is so amazing. Wow. And I was just sitting here. That is so powerful to me. Like, it's a powerful thing to think about that. Like, and I think, like I said, for me, I don't know if I said this already, but it keeps me very humble. I feel like I'm a humble person anyway. I'm not a person that always like goes to the internet or, you know, brags about like an accomplishment or, you know, just something good. I'm not that person. Now, like, if one of my kids does something like, all right, I'm sorry, y'all, my husband stopped me. But anyway, what I was saying is, now if I have something going on good with my kids or something like that, yeah, I'm going to post it because, you know, I'm proud and I want to share it. But I'm not a person that just generally just like a person I feel like that has to like brag about everything. And it's so crazy now. I feel like I'm a private person. And trying to be a private person and a content creator at the same time, it almost kind of like, it don't even go together, to be honest. But I know how to keep my marriage private. I know how to keep things that's going on with me and my family, friends, my kids, or whatever. I know how to keep that private. But at the same time, I also feel like I know how to be transparent and not appear that, you know, everything is always going good in my life, baby, because it's not. I have had some things happen over the years that has just molded and shaped me into the woman I am today. And to be honest, you guys, like, I'm still growing. I still have hardships. I can honestly say my marriage not perfect, my kids not perfect, my job not perfect, but I'm grateful and I'm thankful, and I love all those things enough to know that I can, you know, work on them and show up every day because I have, you know, I have the word of God, and I have God who continuously, you know, God continuously guides me on how to handle like certain situations. I guess that's like a very good way to put it. Like, yeah, so I'm not like I don't think I'm like a hard person to get along with. Yeah, I love community as in relationships, especially the people that's really close to you and who support you. Like, I feel like those people really mean a lot. You know, it's good to have community, it's good to have support, it's good to have those consistent friendships. So yeah, I was sitting here thinking like, man, God, you are amazing. No, my life have not been perfect. I still have some things right now that I need God to like snap his finger and just make it go away. But that's not the way God works. Like, I gotta walk this thing out. I gotta pray. I gotta get into my word. I just gotta walk this thing out. I gotta walk this thing out, and at the end of the day, I know it's going to like build my faith. My faith is gonna build my relationship with God. It's gonna make me stronger. It's gonna give me a testimony. So I just say that to say, like, you know, even when things are going bad, at the same time, it's still going good. And I know that don't even seem like, how can you even put the two in the same sentence? The two can go in the same sentence. The two can go in the same sentence. Like I have bad and I have some good. And every day I show up as my best self. And guess what? It's working out, guys. So I just say this to say, whoever watching this, I hope it resonates with someone. If you have something, you know, a hard trial that you're going through right now, just try. I promise you, it's something you can look at and find the positive. If you just wake up, if you have a job, if you have a car, if you have food, if you have shelter, if you have support or a community or friendships, even if you don't have that, you know, go find a support group. Go join like a church or I don't know. I'm saying that to say, like, 9 times out of 10, you can always find positive in a negative situation. Every time I have had something negative going on, the positive outweighed it, and that's what kept me going. So yeah, y'all know I love me a good little car chit chat. Love me a good little car chit chat. I can be my authentic self, and I sit here and I think of stuff, and yeah. So I don't know if this party my husband is doing. I don't know if it may be an hour and a half. So yeah, he just stopped by for a water break. So I'm just gonna sit here because, like I said, it is extremely hot today in Pensacola. So anyway, I'm gonna call y'all back. All right. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Or if you haven't already given me a thumbs up, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up, y'all. Like, come on, help your girl out. Like, it helps the video. It helps the video. And also, like, I see new people. When I look at my analytics, I can see like non-subscribers who's watching. And I'm good with non-subscribers watching because it's let me know that the algorithm is, you know, sending my videos out to more people. So either way, it's gonna work. It's gonna work out. But if you love it, if you love watching me, or if I'm growing on you, whatever, however you want to put it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. So anyway, I'll call y'all back. All right, guys, we have made it to party number 2. Let me show y'all my husband. I'm gonna go ahead and get the speaker out the back. All right, y'all. Yep, we're at party number 2, and he's just trying to get everything ready to get going. So 2 down and 3 to go, and we're gonna stop and get us some lunch. I already told him that's my favorite part of the day, and he was like, I already know. So yeah, so I will call y'all back. All right, guys, so we have made it to party number 3, and it's actually 4 today. It's 1 tomorrow, so it's actually 4 today. And we ran into some technical difficulties. He had to go get 2 tires. Of course, we were not prepared. He had extra tires, but he used them already. So yeah, we stopped by Harbor Freight, and now we are at the party. So as you can see, the trailer is empty, and I'm getting ready to go sit in the car again and wait till he finishes. So I guess after this, we'll probably go grab us something to eat and sit down and catch a little chit chat here and this. I feel like we've been so busy today. I feel like I ain't even had time to talk to my husband, but it's okay. It's work, and I gotta help my husband with his business calls. So, but anyway, yeah, I got on live earlier. It was actually my first time going live on YouTube. I had a little bit of people sign in, so that was pretty cool. I think I'm gonna try to go live more often. And I also got 2 subscribers. I hope y'all can hear me. I don't have on my microphone. I also got 2 subscribers, and yeah, that was a cool little experience to go on live. So yeah, I'll call y'all back. I am so hungry, and I gotta use the bathroom, but I don't want to ask them people, can I use their bathroom? And I'm scared to drive this truck with the trailer on it. So no, we just gonna have to sit here, and I think this party might be just an hour, so I should be good. Well, no, 30 minutes. But if it gets too bad, baby, I'm gonna have to ask her, can I use her bathroom or something? Y'all think that's rude? I don't think that's rude. Anyway, I'll call y'all back. All right, guys, so we just finished up the last party. I'm not even showing my husband. He probably tired. You tired, huh, boo? Yeah, he's tired and he's so sweaty, so I'm not gonna put him on the camera right now. But anyway, yeah, we just finished up and we are getting ready to figure out what we are going to eat. He said Popeyes, but I think he's saying that on purpose because he know I don't want Popeyes. So I don't know what we gonna eat. Can you tell me one more choice? One more option.
Pizza.
No, we always eat pizza. He asking for pizza or chicken. I'm pizzaed out and chickened out.
Well, just go home and cook your tuna. I'd rather have that than anything.
So now he's saying he want me to go home and make tuna.
I'd rather have that than anything. That's what I've been having.
We'll have the croissants.
I gotta drop these off, so I'm gonna stop by the store and get the croissants.
Okay, so we've been talking about tuna all week, so I guess I'm gonna go home and make my boo that. He worked hard today. I guess you deserve it, boo boo. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and make tuna, and we are going to chill out for the rest of the night. How you feel about that party? You think the kids enjoyed it?
The grandkids will be over at 8:30.
All right, guys, so we have made it back from the parties, I should say. And I told you guys in the car that my husband wants me to make tuna salad. So I have all of my stuff here. I have my mayo. I have my sweet salad cubes. Sometimes I use pickle relish, but I'm using that. Purple onion, mustard, and I have my 2 family packs of light tuna in water. I always get mine in water. I see that it comes in like olive oil as well, but I usually just get mine in water. I'm not sure how much of a difference. I guess it's just preference. So yeah, like I said, he's going to get the eggs. I'm boiling the water, but I think I'm going to go ahead and start getting everything prepared. So I can make it easier to just put the eggs. He likes to eat his on like croissant bread. I can eat mine. I think I like mine with crackers, or I can even just eat it by itself, honestly. But tonight I'm so tired. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm not gonna even do a lot of talking. So let's just get started. All right, let me start by, I'm gonna rewash my hands. I think tonight we're just gonna find probably something to watch on Netflix. I don't know if y'all saw Unchosen on Netflix, but that was so good. We literally binge watched Unchosen. Yeah, me and my husband like that a whole lot. So I'm just gonna get started. And I know everybody probably make their tuna different. I'm just gonna be using this to put it in. Let me rinse this out. Yeah, everybody make their tuna different. And I actually like to try different, like chicken salad recipes, tuna recipes. I even like to try different like spaghetti recipes. So yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all how I do mine. My husband and my daughter love it. Some people probably don't like onions in their tuna, but I like the purple onions in mine. And we got 2 family packs. That should be enough. I think 2 family packs should be enough. But yeah, I was saying the little series on Netflix called Unchosen. We literally binge watched that in like 2 days. That was a crazy show, but it was really good. I think so. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm doing right now. All right, I think that should be enough, what I just showed you guys. And I don't want to put the mustard mayo or the salad cubes. I was gonna go ahead and just make it up without the eggs, but I'm still waiting on my husband to bring the eggs back, so I'm just gonna wait. So I'll just call y'all back. Look how pretty my eggs turned out this time, boo.
I don't want you to work for me. I just want you to be with me. And you would be better tomorrow as a pastor if you would be with me today. Friends, you'll be better as an employee tomorrow if you be with God today. You'll be a better parent tomorrow if you'll be with the Lord today. You'll be a better spouse tomorrow, a better friend tomorrow, a better boss tomorrow if you'll be with God today. And what needs to get reoriented in our own hearts, where we stop believing that a busy version of us is better than a rested version of us? I think for many of us,
Hello guys, so today is Sunday, and if you saw the previous clips, I recorded those at church. So I just came basically to close out this video. Church was really good. He's doing a series on Sabbath. So today he was talking about like the importance of basically getting rest so we can be, you know, be productive and be our best selves and, you know, give our best and get the best out of life pretty much. So if you saw, I already inserted some clips, and I think I'm going to go ahead and end off this video. Yeah, we just gonna chill out today. We had a very busy Saturday. We had parties all day yesterday. If you guys saw in the vlog, you know, me and my husband pretty much had a few birthday parties we had to do. Last night we really did not do anything. I'm kind of annoyed. We ordered a washer and dryer set from Lowe's. They promised us a date to have it here last week. They did not deliver it, so we've been without a washer and dryer. I've had to do laundry at my mom's house, which that was fine. You know, I got to spend time with my mom. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a picture of the laundry room just looking empty. And yeah, so I have been very blessed to have a washer and dryer like my whole life. Like I've never had to take clothes from one place to another place and all of that. That's just too much. So yeah, it's little things like that that I'm grateful for when I feel inconvenienced. So yeah, we got the laundry done. Hopefully the washer and dryer will be here this week. But before I close out, I want to open one of my little things that my daughter bought me. This is a very, very good idea. So I'm going to open one with you guys just to see what it says today. So hold on. Lord, please don't let my camera fall. I like the little pink rubber bands. I think that's so cute. So let's see what today says. I am surrounded by a circle of support and love. And I am. So this was a very good one. I always feel I'm surrounded by support and love. Like I literally have the best family and friends ever that a girl could ask for. Like my family and my friends, my whole circle of support has been consistent my whole life. So yeah, that's something I can't complain about, and I will never take for granted. Like having a good community of family and friends, like you rich. You are pretty much rich. If you have good friendships, good family, and you feel the love, like, yeah, I can't complain. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end off the video, and hopefully you enjoyed spending a few days with me. Just my little regular life, just my regular smegular life. So yeah, if you want to chat with me, leave me a comment in the comment section. We can always chat if you have any questions for me, whatever. If my new subscribers have any questions or any videos you want to see, yeah, just drop it in the comments. And I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. The video is 12:22. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications on so you won't miss the time that I post. And I hope you gave me a thumbs up. Even if you don't subscribe, just give me a thumbs up. Like, that'll be cool. That'll be cool to give me a thumbs up. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Cover heart, cover body, cover mind, virtue in my steps, royalty in my design. Every stitch got a purpose, yeah. Every move I'm still worshiping. My reflection ain't my idol, the Most High is my only king.